What if I told you that an army once marched across the Alps, not on foot or horseback, but on the back of elephants? You'd probably laugh, right? Because elephants and Alps don't really go together. But it happened. And the story of how is one of the craziest adventures in history. It all started with a kid named Hannibal Barca. He grew up in a place called Carthage, a rich city in North Africa with amazing soldiers. Now, Carthage and Rome were like really not friends. They fought all the time because both wanted to rule the Mediterranean. When Hannibal was just a boy, his dad made him swear an oath, never be friends with Rome. And as he grew up, he decided the best revenge would be to attack Rome itself. But here's the thing, Rome was surrounded by mountains, so they thought they were safe. Nobody would try to attack them from the north. Hannibal thought otherwise. He made a plan to sneak past the mountains, surprise Rome, and crush their army. His idea was risky, even crazy, but he was desperate to defeat Rome. So he gathered 90,000 soldiers, 12,000 horses, and 37 elephants. Yes, elephants. Back then, elephants were like tanks, huge and scary. Hannibal thought they'd be perfect to break through Rome's strong army. His plan was to march from Spain to northern Italy, crossing the Alps along the way. The journey was awful. The Alps were covered in snow and ice. Soldiers slipped on the rocks. Avalanches buried them, and the local tribes attacked them from above. To make things worse, the elephants got stuck sometimes, freezing in the snow or falling off cliffs. It was a disaster. But Hannibal kept going. He pushed himself and his army to the limit, encouraging them to keep moving forward. Finally, after 15 days, they made it to the other side, exhausted but alive. It was a miracle. And when the Romans saw Hannibal's army coming over the Alps, they couldn't believe their eyes. An enemy army, complete with elephants, had just arrived in their territory. And from there, Hannibal went on to win big battles, terrifying Rome. Even though he never captured the city, his adventure through the Alps became famous all over the world. It showed everyone that anything is possible if you're brave enough to try. So, what do you think? Would you follow a leader who asks you to do something as crazy as crossing the Alps on elephant back? That's what Hannibal's soldiers did, and that's why his name lives on in history.